Are you passionate about cooking and dreaming of owning your own food truck business in Georgia? This step-by-step guide will help you turn that dream into reality. The food truck industry is booming across the United States, and Georgia is no exception. With its lively food culture and growing street food scene, there's never been a better time to start a food truck business here. But before you hit the road, there are a few things you need to know. Step 1. Start with research and planning. Identify your target market, choose a niche or food concept, and analyze your competitors. From BBQ to fusion, Georgia's food scene has a wide range of tastes, so be unique. Next, create a solid business plan outlining your menu, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Step 2. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses. In Georgia, food truck owners need a business license, health permits, fire inspection, and a food service permit from the local health department. Be sure to check the specific requirements for each city and county you plan to operate in. Step 3. Buy or lease a food truck. You'll need a reliable, well-equipped truck that fits your business needs. Whether you buy new, used, or lease, make sure it meets local health and safety standards. Customizing the truck with your brand logo and a functional kitchen is essential. Step 4. Secure funding. Food trucks can cost anywhere from $50,000 to $200,000 depending on the size, equipment, and customization. Explore funding options like small business loans, investors, or crowdfunding to cover startup and operational costs. Step 5. Build your brand and marketing strategy. In the food truck industry, marketing is key to attracting customers. Use social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to showcase your food and location. Collaborate with local events, attend festivals, and create an engaging website. Step 6. Start operating and keep growing. Once you're up and running, find prime locations to park your truck, listen to customer feedback, and keep evolving your menu. Keep an eye on growth opportunities like catering or partnering with other local businesses. Starting a food truck business in Georgia takes time, effort, and planning, but with passion and determination, success is on the horizon. Ready to get started? Follow these steps and you'll be serving up delicious food in no time. For more tips on starting and growing your business, visit our blog at elegancepreneur.com. Text on screen, like, subscribe, and share. Visit elegancepreneur.com.